Good morning everyone. Myself Kumarji sir, class 11th. Subject temperature independent terms. Concentration की terms में two types concentration, temperature dependent concentration, 6 types percentage of weight by weight, percentage of volume by volume, normality, molarity, formality, ppm. Then temperature independent terms. These 4 types. First, percentage of weight by weight. Second, molarity, represented by small m. Third, mole fraction, represented by x. Very most important, molarity and mole fraction. Fourth terms, part per million, weight by weight. Temperature independent terms. First, percentage of weight by weight. Weight of solute in gram weight of solution gram into 100. 100 gram in solution present of solute substance in gram. Second, molarity represented by small m. That is so much very most important. Molarity small m upon solvent substances in kg. नंबर ऑफ, दैट इज डेफिनेशन को देखते हैं. दैट इज नंबर ऑफ solute volume solute upon solvent in kg. N is equal to weight of solvent, weight of solute upon molar mass upon solvent in kg. Small w upon molar mass into solvent substances kg. Small m, small w, molar mass, weight of kg convert to gram 1000 multiply. kg convert to gram into 1000. Mole fraction. Third terms, mole fraction. very most important. Let that solute A solvent B. Solute solvent. Solute A, number of moles small na. Solvent B, number of moles small nb. Total moles, NP is equal to Na plus N. Mole fraction, represented by X. Solute mole fraction Xa, solvent mole fraction Xe. Xa solute mole fraction, number of solute, number of total moles. Total moles is equal to number of solute plus number of solvent. Solute of mole fraction. Solvent, mole fraction of solvent is equal to number of solvent, number of total moles. Number of solvent, number of solute plus number of solvent. Formula: mole fraction of solute, mole fraction of solvent. Then X is equal to Xa plus Xb is equal to 1. That is so much very most important. Mole fraction complete. It's okay.